Let's be real. Cleaning the toilet is never at the top of my to-do list. But with kids, pets, and a busy house, it's got to get done. The best part? I can do it quickly and without feeling gross. Promise. First, I grab my supplies: toilet bowl cleaner or white vinegar, baking soda for those stubborn stains, a toilet brush, rubber gloves, disinfectant spray or wipes, and some paper towels or a microfiber cloth. Next, I pour the cleaner or vinegar all around the rim and inside the bowl. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives it time to really break down stains and zap bacteria. While that's working its magic, I tackle the outside. Spray down the tank, handle, seat, and base with disinfectant, then wipe everything down. I always pay extra attention to the flush handle, germ central. Now back to the bowl. I scrub under the rim, around the bowl, and right into the drain hole with my toilet brush. If I see stains, a sprinkle of baking soda does the trick. Once it's squeaky clean, I flush to rinse away any leftover cleaner. Then I give the outside one more dry wipe so it looks fresh, no streaks. Honestly, a clean toilet makes the whole bathroom feel fresher. I aim to do this once a week to avoid big messes later. But if you'd rather never clean a toilet again, just call Bear Brothers Cleaning. They handle the dirty work so you don't have to. Visit our website at bearbroscleaning.com or call 256-633-6332. Your home deserves to be berry clean.